Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to attach a ribbon bow onto a cake drum. Before we get started, head over to my website meadowbrownbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. You can make your bow any size, so you just go like this, fold it, and I want my bow to be about this size, so I need double that, about there. So I will cut my ribbon there about. So you can do a single bow. I'll show you a single and a double bow. Now I'm going to fold this in half. This is just a quick simple bow, and fold this other one on top of it like that. Okay, so now you've got your basic bow shape. When I attached ribbon to my cake drum, there's this overlapping part. You can actually put the ribbon over the overlapping part to make it pretty like that. Okay, you can attach this onto there with a pin like this. If you have a complementary color for your ribbon, that would be much better, but this is the one that I have. And you can also use double-sided tape. I'm going to attach it first with the pin. So just like this. Okay. Mark where it needs to go, over there, and I will push my pin inside. It's very easy to go through, like that. Okay, so that's a single bow. You can remove it and we'll show you a double bow. So I'm just going to pull this out. That's how easy it is to get in and out of the board. So I've got this one already. I need a smaller one that will go on top. So I've got a smaller piece of ribbon. I'm going to fold it. This is going to be a bit tricky because you need a few hands, like an octopus. I've got this one. The smaller one is done. I'm going to hold it. You can even tape it down if you want, like that. Okay, that's a smaller one, and I'm going to make the bigger one. So in half, thereabouts, in half again. Okay, I'm going to put this one, the smaller one, over the bigger one and center it. Okay, now I'm going to get a smaller piece of ribbon, even smaller one, and I'll cut it as soon. So I'm going to put this on top and make sure it goes about halfway there and there, so they slightly overlap. Okay, like that. And I'm going to cut the excess ribbon off. Like that. Okay. So this is my bow. I'm going to, I can attach it again here with the overlap with double-sided tape or the safety pin. I think for this time I will use the double-sided tape. And like I said, you can use double-sided tape or the safety pin. I'm going to use double-sided tape for this one. So you stick some on there where it joins, it overlaps. I'm going to peel it off like that. And where's that overlap? I can put it on like that. See, it's nice and pretty. Just gives a nice finish to your boards. And like I said, you can also attach it with the safety pin. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to remove the double-sided tape. but you can add a safety pin instead. It pushes very easily through the board like that. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.